Good morning, everybody. Well, today is Tuesday. I'm heading into work. I'm working the whole week. I am feeling better. I'm still got it a little bit, but nothing like what it was. So, thank you guys so much for all your prayers. um, Thank you so much for hanging in here with me. um, so I'm just gonna do a really quick video because I have to head out to work. So, update, the illness is I'm still like congested and through here, but my headache has gone. I had a headache for like, oh my gosh, I guess it was like 3 or 4 days straight. And then it finally kind of went away, and then things started kind of breaking up a little bit. So, um, I'm hoping to be able to be completely 100% here coming up soon, right? So, anyway, as far as eating goes, usually I eat a lot of carbs, and I did eat pretty mini carbs, but I didn't really eat a lot of anything else. Yesterday, I actually made like a meal for me. I was eating things like for breakfast. I was trying to get breakfast in while I was sick. So, and then dinner was just usually like chicken noodle soup. And I didn't even make the chicken noodle soup. It was like canned chicken noodle soup. So, I guess that's where I'm at. I am on medication. I did get antibiotics and some nose spray that the doctor had given to me. So I have been doing those things. He gave me coughing pills also. I haven't really taken the coughing pills because like the cough has not been that horrible. If I start coughing, I just get like a hot tea or something like that, and that seems to help a little bit. So here we have it, guys. I mean, like all of this stuff is going on. You can see I did not put up my Christmas tree. It did come, but I didn't put it away. I didn't put it up. It's almost done and over. There's no sense of me getting that out of the box and creating that huge mess. And in all reality, I just don't feel like it. My mom's Christmas is coming up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to go because I missed so much work already that I can't afford it. I can't afford to have one missing day on my paycheck. So I'm probably not going to be attending that. And I'm off on Christmas Day and I'm off on New Year's Day. So those days I don't get paid. My job is kind of silly. They give you your like when you first start, they give you like all of your PTO hours, and the PTO hours that they give you, that 2 weeks, has to include those holidays. So if you use them up when it comes time for the holidays, you don't have them. Well, I used all of mine up, so I don't have them. So basically, I just don't get paid now. So anyway, that is where I am at, guys. I did weigh in on Sunday, and I am down 6 pounds. So I'm almost to my 10-pound mark that I wanted to be at on the 28th of December. So I am going to work diligently to try to make sure I get that completed. I really, truly want to be able to hit that goal for myself. So 4 pounds left to go, guys. 4 pounds, and I've hit the 10. Not a way to do it, getting sick, but like I said, usually when I get sick, I'm like eating all kinds of crazy stuff that I think is going to help me get better when I realize it's really not going to help me get better. So, I also I'm back on track, and I have been back on track. I have been logging things in also. And you'd be surprised, just little things. Like I got a pudding cup, and that was a whole heck of a lot of points. So Those little things, right? I got Jello, sugar-free Jello. That's a 0 points, so that was okay. And then I kind of stopped doing the sugar-free stuff because I'm like, is this headache back to where the sugar-free stuff is bothering me? Is that why I've had this headache? Because I'm telling you, that headache lasted for days after day after day after day after day. So that is where I'm at with what is happening in my life. It has been like nothing but illness. I have been camped out in bed. I never stay in bed. Even when I'm sick, I never stay in bed. And I am telling you what, I was in bed. Like I didn't hardly, I got up to go to the bathroom and went back to bed. That is where I was. I had to call in to work twice. So I did end up, let's see, last week I was off Sunday, Monday. And then I called off on Tuesday and I went to work on Wednesday, came home early Wednesday. I think I worked like 6 hours. Then on Thursday, I called in again. And then I worked Friday, Saturday. And then today I was off Sunday, Monday for my days off this week. My days off, my weeks there are from Saturday through Friday. That's the week, Saturday through Friday. So, I tell you, I am ready to get healthy and ready for this stuff to go away. I did wear a mask Friday and Saturday. I did wear a mask. So I will put another mask back on again today just because I don't want anyone else to get what I got, especially the girls that are working with me. I don't want my boss, I don't want them to be able to come down with this. I wouldn't wish this on my worst enemy. So, um, everybody has their own opinion about the whole mask thing, but my feeling is if I'm covering my face and my cough, therefore I'm kind of helping other people. And at work, up close to people, like, they're like right there to me. So, other than that, guys, like seriously, there is nothing here to report. My life is boring. That is it. It's boring. But my boring self lost 6 pounds. I'm ecstatic, like totally ecstatic. I had to go pick up my medicine from Walmart. And when I went in, I went and saw one of the girls who was working. And she was like, oh my gosh, Kim, you have lost so much weight. You lost a lot of weight. You look great. And I'm like, thank you. So she hasn't seen me in a while now. So that was pretty cool to hear that. I like I like hearing I've lost a lot of weight. I don't feel like I have. I feel like I've been doing this for like ever. So I gotta break out of that number. It's like it goes from 9 to 0, 9 to 0, 9 to 0. So I need to get out of that number, out of it. So I'm almost there. 1 more pound and I broke out of it. I would be more comfortable with about 4 more pounds is where I'd really be comfortable because then I've lost that 10 pounds for my goal, right? Oh, all right, everybody. Well, I know this is very, very short. I am so sorry, but I'm still not at 100%. It is 10 after 10. I have to be to work at 11. So I do have to say my little buddy is sick too. I woke up and oh boy, poor baby. So he's just kind of laying around. I don't know if he can catch what I had, but he's not feeling it today. So bless his heart. I'm going to try to make him as comfortable as I can make him before I leave to go to work. So anyway, guys, I hope everybody has a fantastic week. I hope all of your holidays, events that you have gone to or that is coming up is very successful. I hope that you are enjoying every minute of the season. Like I said, I am basically, there's my festivities. I will probably, if I'm feeling better, I don't want to be, I'll go to my brother's, but for Christmas Day or my cousins. But I don't want to go anywhere if I still have a glimpse of this because I am telling you, it is awful. And then my mom is still sick, and she got sick right after Thanksgiving. So this stuff lingers on and on and on. So I don't want to get nobody sick. That's my thing. I'm just going to hibernate. And I need to be at work because I got to save up time because I want to go to Orlando for a few days. Um, I have some friends getting married and I want to make sure I go to that wedding. It's in Orlando and it's in February. That's where I want to be in February. So I got to save up some time so I can go because that is like super important for me. I really, really want to go. I want to go back and see everybody because the time that I was in Orlando, even though it was a ruse, I met some really, really extraordinary, really amazing people, and I miss them. My old boss, I miss her every single day. And Mara, if you are watching me, I love you so much. So I miss them all so, so, so much. So I am really, really hoping that come February, I am able to get on a plane and I am able to go. If I have a stupid driver's license, everybody, I still have not gotten that driver's license in the mail. This is like ridiculous. So I'm going to give it one more week. And if I don't have it in one more week, I don't know what I'm going to do. Like, this is nuts. So I'm going to have to call the driver's license bureau again. I'm going to have to call somebody. I don't know. Maybe I'm going to make a police report with my city because 1, okay, can happen. 2, really crazy. 3, come on now. So that's where I'm at with that. I still have not gotten that stupid driver's license. It's horrible that you have to fight tooth and nail for something so tiny. So tiny. All right, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. I will see you guys hopefully today is Tuesday. Hopefully I can check in on Thursday or Friday. All right, guys, take care. I miss you guys so much. I really miss doing that live because it's like that's a chance that I actually get to talk to you. So hopefully I can schedule something soon coming up. I will be posting in my Facebook group. If you're not part of that, please go over, log on, and it's Facebook group. It's Life Over 55 with Kim. If you want to email me, please email me. I would love to answer any emails that you send to me. And my email address is also lifeover55@gmail.com. So I look forward to hearing from you. I wish everybody happy holiday seasons. I wish everybody a safe holiday. And I will talk to you in a few days. Mwah. Bye.